Hello Shakil, how are you?
I am fine. And what about you?
I am fine too. I am very glad to meet you.
I am also very happy to meet you. It is long since I met you last.
Yes, it is about 7 years. What are you doing now?
I have completed my graduation in computer science from Butte.
Oh, excellent. What is your future plan?
You will be happy to know that I am going to London next week for higher study on scholarship. What are you doing now?
Recently I have joined the Department of English at Dhaka University as a lecturer.
You are also very fortunate. But I cannot understand why you are here in this railway station.
I am going to Chittagong to visit my younger sister working as a doctor in a hospital there. But why are you here?
I am going to Chittagong to visit my father who has recently been transferred from Dhaka to Chittagong.
Oh, nice. Can we go same department on train?
Yes. However, have you got married? Yes, I have got married 2 years ago. Have you got married? No, I have not got married yet. Oh. I feel happy to see you after a long time.
Me too.